Sabi pa dito, if you choose to vote straight for PDP Laban, that's your decision and I respect it, no? But personally, I cannot vote for all of them. Why? Because Inday Sara Duterte is my priority. O yan. Kasi nga talagang malapit na palapit to kay Inday Sara Duterte. Kanang itlog yata ito. No. She is our remaining hope. And I refuse to support PDP Laban members who have aligned themselves with those pushing for her impeachment. Aba, ulitin ko nga. She is our remaining hope. And I refuse to support PDP Laban members who have aligned themselves, no, with those pushing for her impeachment. Ibig sabihin, mga kababayan, merong mga miyembro ng PDP Laban ang uma-agree doon sa impeachment ng ating vice presidente.